Hi, so good morning guys. So welcome once again to my YouTube channel, June Heshanova. So today, we will teach you how to add social media icons to your Facebook profile and Facebook page. The advantage of this is it will drive traffic to your YouTube and Instagram, Twitter, and of course if you have a website. You can also add other social media accounts. So once again, this is sponsored by Filipinohomes. Okay, so let's jump in and let's start. So you go to your profile. Okay, so you click edit details, and then you click on update your information, and then you click on contact and basic info, and then you can add your website here. Okay, so for sample purposes, I will just add my Facebook page, save, and then I go to Twitter, grab the user ID, add a social link here, Twitter, and then Instagram, I will grab the user ID, okay, it's there, Instagram, and then YouTube. For this to work guys, for this hyperlink to work, you need to add the channel ID along with the channel name there, because otherwise it will not work. Okay, so click add YouTube and then save. So we're done. So let's refresh and see if those links are working now. There you go. So it's already added. The icons are there as well as the links. So if you will click these links, it will redirect you to your social media accounts. Okay, that's it guys. So let's proceed to your Facebook page. You click about once you are on your page. Okay, this is our page. And then you click edit other accounts. Same concept guys. All you need to do is to add the user ID. So Instagram, add account, Instagram there, add account, your user ID for your Twitter, and then your channel ID for your Facebook. YouTube. Okay, then click save. Okay, there. So we're done guys. Same concept guys with your mobile phones. You can do it. Same, you can go to your edit details. Okay. So once again guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If this video helped you in a certain way, just click subscribe and then click the bell button to be notified on our next video. Okay, thank you for watching.